So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from Group 8. Today we are going to present about the Starhill Gallery, the mechanical handling system for ARC 513 Building Services and System 3. Okay, so before that, I will introduce my team members. First of all, my name is Muhammad Hazarul Nizam bin Mazin. My metric number is 192050.
My name is LATIFAH and my matrix number is 193682.
My name is SYAQINAH. My matric number 193558.
Hi, my name is AINUN. My metric number is 194008.
Hello, I'm IMRAN and my metric number is 199745.
So that's all for our team members. So without further ado, we move to the first question. Is what are the type of elevator used in Starhill Gallery? So the Starhill Gallery use the gear traction system, which is they use a gear system located at the top of the lift shaft, and the application is the best for the high-rise building, which is instead of using the hydraulic system. So gear traction system can gather a lot of passenger in the peak hours. As their speed is slower than gearless elevators, geared elevator offers energy efficiency as they use less power to turn on the shift. And then we move to the question 2, how Starhill Gallery complements the UBPL. So there are few laws that implement in the Starhill Gallery for the mechanical handling system. Okay, so the first of all, UBPL law 124, which is for all non-resident building exceeding 4 stories above or below the main access level, at least one lift shaft should be provided. So this building consists of 7 floors. So they got a few lift shafts. And then the next one is opening in the lift shaft. According to the UBPL law 151 and 152, lift shafts shall be provided with the vents of not less than 0.09 square meter per lift, and then located at the top floor. So this is the vents for the lift shaft, and then every opening in the lift shaft shall be open to a protected lobby. So the lobby is protected and not open. And then UBPL law 153, all lift lobby shall be provided with smoke detectors. So smoke detectors is located there. And then another law is law 229, and then law number 243 number 3 and 243 number 4.
Okay, next move to question number 3. As my friend Shah mentioned before that Starhill Gallery use a gear traction system. So what control system used for the elevator? So first one is collective control system. The full collective which involve an up and down button on each floor and are able to answer calls in sequence regardless of travel direction. The second one is motion control system. It consists of motor, geared engines, brakes, and power supply. And the function of this motor control system is to use electromagnetic brake in motor to stop, hold the lift car, or controlling the speed of lift from moving upward and downwards. Safety control system, and it consists of safety gear and speed controller. And the function is to provide safety and reliable elevator operation to the passenger. The one is door control system, and it contains a motor connecting lift car, platform gates, and door safety device. And the function of this door control system is actually to control the closing and opening of the elevators. And the elevator car door in Starhill is installed with infrared sensor. This door detects a passenger or objects at doorway, which prevent the door from closing. And what will happen during emergency? When power is lost in traction system, all elevator will initially comes to halt one by one. Each car in group will return to lobby floor, open its door and shut down. And the system will then automatically select one or more cars to be used for normal operation, and this car will return to service. Next, we look on how the interior design in Starhill Gallery. So basically, there are two types of elevator in Starhill Gallery, which is first, elevator 1 is located near to the entrance of Starhill Gallery, And the features of this elevator is it has cylindrical shape design enclosed by glass and stainless steel material. And then next is elevator 2. It is located at the shopping mall, connecting the mall to JW Marriott Kuala Lumpur. And the features of this elevator is it has cubical shape using stainless steel material. For both elevator 1 and elevator 2, the interior of the elevators consists of guard rails and that wrap around the interior perimeter of the wall and it to support and safety purposes. And the ceiling of the lift is made up of perforated metal sheet and semi-see-through sheet of glass. This is to allow subtle penetration of artificial lighting into the elevator. Beside of that, both of these elevator also consist of car buttons, door open or close buttons, alarm buttons, and intercommunication system. This is the pictures of car operating panel of the elevator.
What control system used for escalator? They have 5. First is the machine drive system. Machine drive system, the escalator in the SYAH gallery use modular drive system. It consists of drive machine, gear reducer, step drive system, and handrail drive system. The function of machine drive system is to provide the force to drive the step band at the constant speed. The second one is step drive system. Step drive system is consists of 5. First is step change, step main drive axle, and step change sprocket. The next one is handrail drive system. Handrail drive system contain a handrail drive idler, shift, a sprocket change, take-ups device, and support roller. The next one is the auto lubricant system. The function of auto lubricant system to supply oil to lubricate the main drive chain, step chain, and the handrail drive chain. So it can move smoothly lah. The next one is a braking system. Braking system is for the function is to stop the moving step when emergency occur.
I'm starting with question number 4. That is about the elevator and escalator. So here we can see 2 elevators in the whole system. The location of each elevator is considered well planned and it is placed at both of the building's entrance and near to staircases that connect each floor, including the basement floor, to emergency purposes. So the elevator 1 is used separately from the main building. So we can use it for the entrance purposes. And the elevator 2 is located inside the shopping mall in the main building, so people can easily transport themselves to one floor to another. So the second point is when talking about the elevator 1, there is a circular, this is a circular shaped glass elevator. So when transportation, people can see outside and have the view of the whole gallery and that open spaces. And when talking about the elevator 2, this is a cubic shaped typical elevator that we can see in the another shopping malls like before. So then comes to the escalator. So Starhill gallery used single continuous arrangement escalator. So when talking about the escalator, we can see two escalators there. When we are talking about the arrangement plan of escalator, there is a single continuous escalator arrangement, which is a one-way traffic type. So it depends on one side we are going and one side we are coming down. So when talking about the advantages and disadvantages of the escalator used there, so the first advantage we can see that as this is a one way, so we need short traveling time, so it doesn't need much time. So the second advantage is attractive feature that we can see the full view when traveling in that escalator. And the final advantage is it provides a swift movement. When talking about the disadvantages, the first one is as it is one way, so we need more spaces to organize the whole system. So this is a totally wastage of the space. The second point is minimum workability for floor building. So this is also like the first point. And the third point is traffic during peak hours.
Next, I will present the needs of the system in Starhill Gallery, or in other words, the importance of the vertical transportation system. So as mentioned by Imran just now, that elevator 1 is located at the main entrance, and escalator 1 is located at after the main entrance, which is in the central atrium. So it works as an intermediate to the main retail area, which is as you can see the yellow part here. So the importance of the escalator and elevator for Starhill Gallery are where the escalator is located at side of each floor and facing the central atrium, and it can act as attractive feature at the center of the retail store, and it can actually provide a view for the customer. And elevator 1 is used separately from the main building and located at main entrance because they purposely made of panoramic glass lift, which can allow 360 view to the lobby. And then they also connect the visitor transportation from the main entrance to the central atrium and to each of the retail building floor where the escalator 1 located. And then this is like additional point where how to improve the existing circulation in the Starhill Gallery, where we propose to have crisscross double escalator system, where the advantage is to have minimum transport time between the level. The thing is, we propose this double escalator system is because, as we know, Starhill Gallery is very packed with visitor at peak hours. So maybe in the future this system can be applied. Next, the advantage is because it can minimize the structural space requirement by having stacking escalator that go in one direction, and also it is very convenient and comfortable, and also it can provide attractive feature.
So that's all from us. Hope you enjoyed the presentation, and thank you.